Hi everyone, welcome back to Inspire UI. Welcome. As you know, FluxStore is a professional mobile app solution designed to turn your e-commerce website into a high-performance app in record time. Whether you are using Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, or BigCommerce, FluxStore creates a beautiful native experience for both iOS and Android users. Once you purchase the app, the first thing you need to do is download the full source code and save your license key. You will need these later for the setup. Next, visit our support website at support.inspireui.com. Here, you will find specific guides for every FluxStore app. Simply select the app you purchased and click Get Started to open the detailed documentation. On the left side of the page, you'll see a menu with all the customization guides. Let's see what you must do to set up FluxStore apps after purchasing. Start with the Getting Started guide. First, check the system requirements. If your computer meets these needs, your setup will go much more smoothly. Below that, you'll find the compatible version table, which we update every time we release a new version. Then, let's go to Getting Started section. To get started quickly and efficiently, you can choose one of the three methods to start building apps with FluxStore, using our app builder, FluxBuilder, working directly in the source code, or combine between FluxBuilder and the source code. In case you want to work with the source code, you can develop many new features and have the ability to code and research on your own. Please navigate to the manual guide to get started with your source code. There are four main first steps you must go through. Install Flutter. Set up an editor. Test drive. Run FluxStore app. The detailed guide are mentioned completely in the guide. Please follow carefully. Next, look at the integration guide. This step is very important because it syncs your website data with the app. Follow the guide to set up your website with some of our safe requests. Then integrate with the app to sync the data. After syncing successfully, it's time for you to set up others features to make the app run smoothly, including app performance, app security, follow guides to design the app. The release guides give details about building Android and iOS. The basic features should be paid attention to. We also provide guides for extended features to make your app even more powerful. You can always use the search bar to find a specific feature guide quickly. Besides source code, You can easily customize your app with our FluxBuilder, which helps create progressive web app, iOS, and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. In this video, we'll focus on showing you how to use Method 3, Hybrid, working with both FluxBuilder and the source code editor. Let's get started. FluxBuilder is available for all major operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, and website. It's easy for you to install and start the tool. After installing FluxBuilder, you will continue with Activate FluxStore on FluxBuilder Guide. It includes all main steps to create and activate the app on FluxBuilder. Please note that one purchase of source code is used for one website only. However, if you have both development and production domains, FluxBuilder allows you to activate your license on both development and production environments at the same time. The dev domain is used for testing, staging, or development purposes. Once the development domain has been activated, you can use the same license to activate the corresponding production domain. On FluxBuilder, after completing installation, you can sign in to the tool. If you do not have an account, please sign up a new one. Then continue to sign in. You'll find guides and videos inside the tool to help you. First, click Create New App to start. Second, input your website domain. You can start with your dev domain. Then, select your platform and enter your keys if required. And click Run Troubleshoot to check the connection. This ensures your data syncs correctly. If there's an issue, click the question mark icon for a solution. We also have a detailed video about creating new app on FluxBuilder. You can refer to the video for more details. After these 4 easy steps, you already have a new app on FluxBuilder. Now, go to My Subscription to activate the app. On this page, you will see 3 options to activate the app. The no-code plans of FluxBuilder are for customers who are not familiar with coding or programming knowledge. With no-code plans, users will not have access to the FluxStore source code. You can check the benefits of no-code plans if you are interested in. For users who own FluxStore source code, please select Source Code Plans to activate the license. Please double-check the domain before active. Input the license key and click button to activate it for your website. Your license key is the purchase code provided when you buy a FluxStore or FluxNews app. You can follow this link to get your purchase code. It's time to design. You can easily customize the UI with drag and drop. You can explore and create a specific design for your app from now on. And also set up the features of app. Just open the feature and easily customize in the tool. Once you are happy with the features and design, you can use the export feature to export the design and feature files of the app. The feature is saved in env.dart file. After clicking Export button, please select your source code folder. Navigate to lib file and save the feature file here. Similar to design file. Please save it in the lib, then config file in the source code. Important. Since FluxStore supports multiple languages, be careful with the design file names. For example, if your app supports Arabic, name the design file config_ar.json. Now you can continue to customize further and build apps in your favorite IDE, Android Studio, or VS Code. During the setup, you may get into some issues. If that case happened, please refer to our guide in the release section and open How to Get Support Guide. We'd be happy to help you with the problems you're experiencing. If the documentation doesn't solve the problem, you can contact our technical support team. This will guide you how to submit a support ticket step by step. After receiving your request, the technical support team will assist you in the support time. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and exciting features.